the Constitution of India and its fundamental rights.
Hey, what is it? Don't you know what I eat? Didn't you pay attention to it at all times?
Forgive me. Eat it today. I'll take care from tomorrow.
What is it? What kind of food it is? You don't know anything.
What is it, Lakshmini? Ma, what are you doing? I had so many dreams. I considered you as my mother. Would you treat your daughter in the same way? Shut up. Stop your melodrama. You did not bring any dowry. Don't even know how to cook food. And look at your tantrums. Oh, my dear son. I said to get rid of her. Leave me, mother. I do have rights to speak. Shut up and listen. This is my house and you have no right to speak. Leave me, mother. Enough is enough. I do have rights under the Constitution. I am not forced to follow your rules. I can raise my voice against you both with full rights. Hey, what are you people doing? There is a right to speech. You can't even be jailed for this.
Hey lady, how many times would I tell you that you should not complain against me? If truth is your side, do you think you can win the case? Sir, please listen to my points also. I want to tell you something. No, first tell me, do you know who I am? No, sir. I am big shot at this place. The people after hearing my name tremble. So, what can I do for this? I have lot of money. I have money to buy lawyers. I have money to buy justice. Sir, please, you may be very well off, but money is not everything. The truth is truth and lie is a lie. Do you think big of yourself? I can destroy you completely. Justice needs no wealth. For me, money is the best subject. Sir, please, how can you prove a lie to be a truth? Everything is bought from money. Money is everything. Money can buy anything. Okay, sir, so I will go to the court for my justice. Okay, I will see you in court.
Good morning, Papa.
Morning.
Papa, I want to go to Goa as the school is organizing a trip and everyone is going.
No, I won't allow you.
Please, Papa, everyone is going. Please let me go.
You are a girl. You have no right to go anywhere. Go away and do your work.
Papa, I want to go to Goa.
Okay, son. Take 30,000 rupees and enjoy.
What is this, Papa?
What is this, Papa? You are letting me go just because I am a girl. You are not. You want a. Don't talk to me like this. I will break your leg.
Madam, I am cleaning the table. How else can I clean the table properly?
Do not say a single word. Do as I say. Clean the table properly, otherwise I will cut your salary.
Please, don't cut my salary.
Shut up.
Hey, why you are coming to this place? Why I could not come here? This is the common place for all. Everyone can study here. No, it does not belong to you people. Go away. You are of lower caste. I also want to study inside the school. Please take me inside. No, you cannot come inside and study. Go away. But why?
Here, this place belongs to us. You cannot pray here. You belong to another religion.
This is our caste religious place.
Get up and get out from here.
No, this place belongs to our religion. We will pray and worship here only.
No, you should leave now. By Article 19.
The right to freedom of the religion is the right to practice, worship and believe in any religion of your choice. Right against exploitation. The Constitution prevents employment of children under 14 years. culture and educational right. Educational rights are for ensuring education for everyone without any discrimination.
Right to equality, Article 14 to 18. Right to equality is one of the most important fundamental rights of the Constitution. It guarantees equal right for everyone. Part 3 of the Constitution remedies for legal remedies protects us from the violation and from the individuals and from the institutions. We can go to the Supreme Court or the High Court for our justice. It protects us from the 26 and 2023 right.
Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure